Luckily, I'll remember the words to it. It's been a while.
1, 2, 3, 4. I was 10 when the night it work slipped down in front of my